today we're gonna do Blondie brownies from the book Magnolia Tables. The ingredients we're gonna need for this recipe is chocolate chips, eggs, sugar, brown sugar, flour, butter, salt, vanilla, cornstarch, and baking powder. Now, for the first step, please turn on the oven to 350 degrees. The next step is, in a big bowl, we're going to take the butter, the brown sugar, and the granulated sugar. We're going to put it in a bowl, and then we're going to mix it with the mixer. Now, when it's well mixed, we're going to put it to slow and low, and we're going to add in vanilla and our eggs one at a time. Now that it's well mixed, we're going to add in the flour, the salt, the cornstarch, and the baking powder. We're going to add in the chocolate chips, and we're going to mix with a wooden spoon. Now that our batter is finished, we're going to put it in a pan, and then we're going to cook it for 35 to 40 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.